Hey folks, we're on day 2, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, well, I'm doing a little 33-day challenge to see if I can make $350 scrapping just part-time. Day 1, if you didn't see the previous one, I really didn't do anything. I just came up with a concept last night late, and same kind of goes today. It was Super Bowl, and you know what that meant, as you see here. About all I got accomplished was went and collected 3 bags of cans. Parents, neighbor, me actually. Got this oven and gathered up some other things that I've been meaning to scrap, and also collected that dishwasher today. Uh, so I'm really going to get started tomorrow. Super Bowl's over, all that crap, so I can get back to working in the garage. Didn't even check if there's a Stars game tomorrow night. So anyway, I'm going to get to scrapping tomorrow. Well, I'll see you tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have a better day.
I'm going to keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number 1, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number 2, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number 3, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.